Okay, for my Arduino air quality sensor, there are two things that I didn't like, one of which I will go over this week, how I fixed it, and the next part I will talk about in the following week. So the one thing I didn't like is that you could go from bad air to good air to fresh air all within the matter of a minute or two. The display bounced around a lot. So to try and combat that, what I did is I decided to do a little averaging to try and get a little more stable number. Now, doing that, I made the device a little insensitive, but hopefully it'll be worth it. So what I did, I added 3 variables, and then I put a note there. It says take 3 different measurements half a second apart. Okay, so the first thing I did is I did an analog read of air qual, which was my original variable, and I put an air read. Then I delayed 500 or half a second, 500 milliseconds. Then I did another read, analog read of air quality, and I put it in air read 2. Again, I delayed half a second, and then I did a final measurement. I did another analog read of air quality, and I put it in air read 3. And then down here, what I did is I averaged the 3 numbers. So it says air average, which is another variable that I made, equals air read plus air read 2 plus air read 3 divided by 3, and of course that's how you average things. So doing that made that number here, this reading, a little more stable, a little slower. It still bounces around, not quite as bad. It stays pretty much in the area that I want it to be. And I changed my numbers a little bit because in the program, as far as what's what, because my numbers were a little higher. So that's this week's fix.